Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing the launcher and making a quick backup of the launcher and game folders. Don't skip that step. Once done, open your OS File Explorer and navigate to the launcher data path. On Windows, go to %appdata %/. Minecraft, on Mac OS or Linux, use the equivalent. Make sure you check for profiles, JSON or launcher profiles. JSON, and note whether the file is missing or empty. This determines whether you'll recreate it or recover it from a backup. Now you'll recreate a valid launcher profiles. JSON. Open a plain text editor and create a file named launcher profiles. JSON in the launcher folder. You must include a minimal valid structure, a profiles object, a selected profile key pointing to a profile ID, and a client token set to a generated UUID. This tells the launcher who you are. Once written, save the file as UTF-8 with the JSON extension. Make sure there are no trailing commas or syntax errors before closing the editor. Finish by validating the JSON you created. Run a local JSON lint to catch syntax issues, because a single extra comma will stop the launcher. Once validated, start the launcher normally or run as administrator, sign in if prompted, and confirm your profiles appear. This restores normal operation. If the launcher still complains, delete the newly created file and restore the backup copy or perform a clean reinstall of the launcher. Troubleshooting tip: check file permissions and ensure the launcher can read/write the file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.